Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing and locating the mansion. Use a Woodland Explorer map or the /locate structure command to get coordinates quickly. Equip diamond or netherite armor, a shield, and a ranged weapon. Bring stacks of food and torches. Once you have the location, set a nearby spawn with beds and stash valuables in an ender chest so you can respawn and return fast. Make sure to bring boats or rails for efficient travel across rivers and terrain. Move now. Don't delay. You enter carefully and start clearing rooms methodically. Pull single illagers with arrows or crossbow bolts, then finish with melee. This prevents being overwhelmed. Clear rooms clockwise and light the area as you go to stop spawns, marking cleared doors with signs or torches so you know where you've been. Use pistons, water channels, or trapdoors to funnel vindicators away from evokers. Controlling line of sight stops their charged attacks. Once done, sweep upper floors last, because evokers often hide them. You finish by looting and executing a clean exit. Prioritize totems of undying and enchanted books, then loot maps and rare loot in secret rooms. Break spawners last to avoid respawns. Establish an extraction route ahead of time. Use boats and elytra launch or a bed respawn fallback so you can exit fast with loot. If things go wrong and you get swarmed, retreat to your prepared safe room, heal, regroup, and re-engage with better positioning. That quick reset saves runs and gear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.